In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Microsoft Forms in just 5 minutes. Microsoft Forms is a fantastic tool for polls, surveys, quizzes, and more, offering an easy and intuitive interface for collecting data. To get started, first open your preferred web browser and head over to your search engine. Simply type in Microsoft Forms and select the Microsoft Forms website from the search results. Once you're on the site, you'll need to sign in with your Microsoft account credentials. If you don't have an account, now's the time to create one. It's quick and free and essential for utilizing Microsoft Forms. After you've signed in, you'll be greeted by the Microsoft Forms homepage. Look for the New Form option, which allows you to start fresh with a blank form. Click on this to begin constructing your form from scratch. You'll see a section labeled Untitled Form at the top. Click on it to enter a title for your form and, if you like, a short description to explain its purpose to your respondents. This is your opportunity to make clear what the survey or quiz is about, so a concise but informative title is key. Now it's time to add questions. Look for the Add New button to start building your questions. Microsoft Forms offers a variety of question types to suit different needs. Choices include multiple choice, text responses, ratings, or even date picks. Simply select the type that matches your question requirements. If you want to explore more specialized options, click on the downward arrow, or More Question Types. You'll find additional options like ranking, Likert scale for opinions, or even file upload for more interactive responses. After you've selected your question type, take a moment to customize it. This involves entering the core question itself and, depending on the type, the possible answers or options. You have full control here to make sure the question is clear and the options are comprehensive. Once you've filled out all your questions, you can give your form a little personality by selecting the Theme button from the ribbon at the top. With this option, you can choose a color scheme or an image to enhance the visual appeal of your form, making it more engaging for respondents to complete. Before you finalize everything, it's wise to see what your form will actually look like. Click on Preview to check out how your form will appear on both computers and mobile devices. This ensures that your form is user-friendly and looks good across different platforms. Finally, once you're satisfied with the form, it's time to share it. Click on the Share button to retrieve a link or even a QR code that you can distribute to your audience. Share it through email, social media, or wherever you see fit. And there you have it. You've created a Microsoft form that's ready to gather responses, all in just 5 minutes.